This is the layered iris die set from Spellbinders, Paper Arts, and Lisa Horton Crafts. I love die sets like these that have a bunch of different pieces that layer up together to create some beautiful images. The layers are very easy to place, and that light purple one that I placed there, there's an embossed image, or there's embossed indent on the main flower that shows you exactly where it goes. Layering die sets like these with a bunch of different pieces are perfect for using up cardstock scraps. I like to layer them together using some liquid glue, and I use a jewel picker in order to place everything. I also thought this iris looked a little bit like an orchid, so I decided to create one with the pink orchids in mind, using that as my inking inspiration. And I love how quickly you can change it from one type of flower to another, just with a little bit of a different color and adding different details. I also really like that the leaves are separate from the stems for this die set, so you can place them where you would like in a way that works for the card that you're creating. I like to use them to create cards, but you could absolutely use these dies and die sets to create embellishments for scrapbook pages, mixed media, or even for art journals. I love images like this. They're perfect for creating embellishments for cards, and you can just use one or you can layer them up and add several.